Hey there! If you are watching this video, then you must have probably bought a new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Congratulations on that, it's a great watch. Well, that's my first impression of the watch. A detailed review will come later. Make sure you subscribe to Wearholic to get notified whenever we publish the in-depth review of Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Coming back to the point, in this video I am going to show how to connect your Galaxy Watch 6 to your phone in simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, get both the phone and watch handy. Boot up both the devices if they aren't already turned on. Now, on your phone, go to the Play Store and install the Galaxy Wearable app. Open the app and tap on Continue button. The phone will now scan for nearby devices. Make sure your watch is turned on and not in flight mode. Once the app picks up your watch, tap on it. As you do that, a confirmation code will pop up on both devices. If they are similar, tap on Continue option on your phone to proceed. Now wait till the Galaxy Watch 6 Manager software is downloading. It is just 173 MB, so it won't take long. After the software is downloaded, it will ask you to agree to its end user license agreement and privacy policy. Select I agree to all and tap on Continue. Next, allow Galaxy Watch 6 Manager to access your watch. Now, you have to agree to the Google Terms of Service. Tap on I agree to proceed further. Next, tap on Get Automatic Updates option. You can also select to update manually, but automatic updates are more convenient as per my experience. Wait till the watch is getting ready, it may take a minute or two. Now, you need to sign into your Google account. You can skip this part and do it later. But I am not going to skip it and will be continuing with my Google account. Next, it will ask you to select apps for your watch. Choose the apps you want to install on your watch or simply skip if you want to do it later. Samsung gives you the opportunity to restore your watch with Samsung Cloud. It means that if you were using a Samsung watch prior to this one, you can restore its data to your new Galaxy 6 watch. As you can see, I have backup from Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch Active 2. I can choose to backup data from any one of these watches. But at the moment, I am skipping this part because I don't want the video to be too long. Lastly, set your wearing preferences and tap on the next button. Now, it will provide you a glimpse of features you are getting on your new watch. Tap on next button on each screen. If you have the LTE version of the watch, it will ask you to set up a mobile plan. I am going to skip it at the moment. That's all, the watch will now take few seconds to set up. And now you are ready to don your latest Samsung smartwatch with all the latest features. However, we are not done yet. Unlike other popular watch brands such as Garmin, Amazfit, Samsung does not have all the features listed under one app. Meaning that Galaxy Wearable app lets you customize your watch and adjust its settings. However, it won't let you track your health and fitness, and for that you have to connect your Samsung watch to another application known as Samsung Health. To pair your watch with Samsung Health, you need to first install the Samsung Health app on your phone from the Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Continue button. Next, check out the options provided on the following screen as per your requirement and then tap on Next. Now provide the required permissions to the app by tapping on the Continue button. Now provide all the permissions one by one by tapping on Allow option. If you don't want to give any permission, just tap on Don't Allow. And there you have it. Now you have successfully linked your phone to Galaxy Wearable app and Samsung Health app. You can now start using your new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 to its fullest. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more Galaxy Watch 6 videos.